provided the assist to Sales over the weekend.
Sales, Matthews, goal for Rayners. My word, that was beautifully done. That's an excellent finish, but the build-up was superb.
Indeed, that for me is, yes, fantastic build-up. 1-2 touches which took away the defenders from their place like in an instant, and of course the connection from Rayners was something out of this world. Great goal, team goal.
Well, they've been patient, it must be said. Mamelodi Sundowns and Ikram Rayners gets his account going for the league this season. 2 goals already against Richards Bay, you'll remember, in the M10-8. What a lovely chip from Sales. Great header from Matthews. Well onside, Rayners. He doesn't need a second invitation. On the full volley.
Matthews' second assist in 2 games. I was just mentioning how he assisted over the weekend with that pass to Rayners. And yes, maybe Keegan just lost his positioning